Hey there, this is an OBS Studio tutorial for which you will learn how to use it in a simple manner. OBS Studio is a recording tool that you will find very easily on the internet as it is very popular. It is a free software, so you will not have to pay for it, and you can record or even stream your screen onto popular platforms of streaming. In order to use it, all you need to do is install it. Afterwards, this screen will appear. In order to record your screen, you will need to add a source here. The source can be added by hitting this plus button, and here you can choose whatever you want to record. Let's say we want to record the screen together with everything that runs on it. We will select display capture. Here we will be asked to give a name for this layer, this source. I'm just gonna leave it like that. And now, as you can see, I have the mirror effect of recording inside of recording. The important thing is that here you need to have your display. You should have checked the capture mouse in order to see the mouse. It's easier for those who watch the video to understand what are you doing there. Then you will hit OK. Now you have an instance of your screen, and even though you can minimize, it will start recording when you hit the button. To start recording something, you just push start recording, and then, as you can see, you can stop recording. Whenever you start or stop recording, the red flashy button will appear and disappear. That's how you know that the program is working. In order to get your video that you already recorded, you go to settings to see where is the default path for recording. So at output tab during settings, you will find the path, which is in my case this one. If I hit browse, I can copy the path, open a new Windows Explorer tab, go there, and as you can see, there is more than one videos in my case, just because I recorded some more earlier today or later days. This here is the last file. You can see the date stamp with the hour stamp. So this is how you record your screen. In some cases, when you hit the display capture button, you will find out that this source here is a black screen, like it's not finding the screen. This usually happens due to a Windows settings for this application that is on default installing. If you have a laptop or a computer with multiple video cards, you might encounter this problem. So what you are going to do is go to graphic settings. Inside your settings, you can just search for graphic settings, and this screen here will appear. You will hit classic app, hit browse, and you will go to the default path of OBS Studio and click add. I already done it, so I have it here. On options, you will have to choose one of these three. So whenever you will switch to one of these three, the screen will stop being black and start recording the actual screen. So don't be alarmed by the fact that the app doesn't do this by default. You can repair it easily.